Hello my lovely people, you're welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making this jollof rice. Just take a good look at this food. Let's go do you want to learn how to make this food? Let's go right into the game. Now let's move straight to the meat. This is a washed meat seasoned with rosemary, thyme. My sisters, don't ever miss rosemary and thyme. Add your nutmeg. Nutmeg is very nice too. It gives it a very nice aroma that I love. Add your onions. Don't ever parboil me without onions. So don't do that. Little salt and star cubes, as you can see from this video, guys. As you can see from these videos, make sure that you break it into pieces. Mix and allow it to marinate for about 1 hour. Mix it very well. Allow it to marinate for about 1 hour. Very important. Cover. After 1 hour, you stir on your gas and cook in low heat. My dear, keep turning it till the meat turn pale. Look at it. Can you see? Can you see? If you try this method, you never ever use the old method again. Keep stirring. Once you see the word mixture start coming out, you add your seasoning. Here I'm adding Mivina chicken flavor. I'm a wonder. I love this seasoning because it's all natural. All natural. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, bay leaf, and pepper. Then you give it a nice stir. Add water, steam, and allow to boil. My dear, try this method of boiling meat and you'll thank me later. I tell you, as the meat is boiling, at intervals, check if the meat is done. If it's not done, add more water. Cover. Remember, we are going to make use of the stock, so we need the stock. So at intervals, you check if the meat is done. If it's not done, you continue cooking. Here is done, so I'm taking the meat out from the meat stock. This meat stock will be saved for you for use later. Guys, the aroma in my kitchen now is something else. I will be teaching you the best way to fry meat, guys. The best way to fry meat. If after frying meat this way, the aroma that will elude your kitchen, you will not believe it. I believe you can see me adding my onions chunk to the oil. I'm going to fry the onions, just the onions, till it turns golden brown. Then you can begin to add your meat. This is to allow the onions flavor to infuse into the oil to give the meat a nice taste and aroma. I promise you will like this meat. You enjoy this method. Guys, also remember that we are going to use this oil from this meat, as in after frying the meat, the oil is what we are going to use to fry our tomato paste that we are going to be using to make the jollof rice, guys. This oil is rich. In fact, is now rich. The flavor of the onions combined with the meat flavor. You need to give this a try. Don't throw away your oil. Don't keep it aside. Just use that oil used in frying your meat and cook your jollof rice and see the difference. The difference is the taste. No, the taste is the difference. No, the taste is the difference. The difference is the taste. In fact, the test is Oyibo Barbara. Oyibo Barbara. It is not my language. English hard, I swear. Once the meat is golden brown, you flip to the other side and fry till the other side is golden brown as well. Guys, that's the best way to fry meat. Allow it to fry well. Allow the meat to turn golden brown. Once golden brown, remove from the oil. Are you already imagining how the meat will taste? Are you? Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Ngwa, take one. Take one. I said take one meat and eat. Hey. Now we are back to our pan. We have to remove the onions and put in the waste bin. That one is waste, so don't use it. Don't use it. Put a clean pot on the fire that we used to fry the tomatoes. Pour that oil that we used in frying our meat and add your onions to it. Add your onions, stir these onions till it's golden brown. You have to be patient to ige ya quantity. You have to wear the clothes of patience and stir these onions till it's golden brown, till the onions releases its flavor into the oil. The next thing I add my thyme and rosemary into the oil and continue stirring till the onions is golden brown. My dear, this one it will release a special flavor into the oil. This is my tomato paste. I made it myself. It's a combination of tomato, tatase, and shambo. These are the three things that I used. I will drop a video on how I made this next week on this channel. Please come back and check the video. Let's continue. You pour the tomato the desired quantity. You can see if I say and I think it's not enough, I'll add more tomatoes, so till I get the desired quantity that I need to make this jollof rice. Next thing, I add my stock cubes and my wonder jollof and my chicken spices. Guys, I do it this way before frying. I add half of the ingredients I'll be needing into the tomato paste as I fry the tomato paste. This is to enable it to release its flavor, aroma, and enhance the quality and taste of the meal that I'll be making. Fry half of the ingredients together. Here I'll be making 10 cups of rice. That's why I'm adding this much, guys. After that, you continue stirring. You fry the tomato till there is no sour taste coming from the tomato paste anymore. See, after testing, I found out that the tomato is now okay, so I add my water, the meat stock, additional stock cube. As I adding the water, bear in mind that you still add your meat stock, please. Don't add too much water. Add the remaining stock cube, the remaining mivina that you be putting, the remaining jollof rice spice. That's all, guys. You stir close to boil. After some minutes, you can see it's already boiling. I turn, I add more salt, adjust salt. Adjust sauce. Make sure that it's tasting nice before you add your jollof rice. Before you add your rice for the jollof rice. What I do is that I add my rice in batches. If I add, I turn. This is to ensure that my tomato paste and ingredients goes round the rice. It doesn't stay at the bottom part of the rice pot, guys. So the more rice I add, the more I turn. If I add, I turn. If I add, I turn till I finish adding all the rice I'll be using for the jollof rice. I turn. Remember, okay, off camera, I did not get it in the camera. I removed some tomato. After frying, I reduced the tomato because I thought it was going to be much. So here I'll be adding the tomatoes that I removed because I think the rice is pale. It's not giving me the superb jollof rice color that I wanted. I wanted it to be so rich in color. That's why I'm adding more of the tomato paste that I removed after frying. So I just say, let me just add all of them. I want special rice. Let me just add all of them. That's what I just did here, guys. After adding my rice, I realized that the water is actually small. So I added a little bit of water, just small. Remember, I want the heat to cook the rice. The heat to cook the rice. This way, the rice will retain its taste and it will not be too soggy. I don't know if you understand. You have to cook on low heat to get the best from your rice. Now I cover the pot. After some time, I check up on it and it's already boiling. You see, I cover again. I open again to check. You see, this I'm doing is a trick to take the water down to the bottom pot. To the bottom of the pot, guys. I'm trying to take the water. You see the trick? You see the trick to take the water to the bottom of the pot so that it doesn't burn. I covered it and after some time I open. Voila, the food is done. Food is ready. If you've watched to this point, it means that you are enjoying it. Please click on the subscribe button and like button. Thank you. Also leave a comment in the comment section. Also tell us what you would like us to prepare next. Thank you. The color is red, pepper red. No be small thing. The camera was not. You see, now it's better. It's better here. The camera is better here. You see the rice? We are done. No, we are done. Can you see? Can you see the rice? This is the best. After preparing jollof rice, this say, ah, my God. You won't try any other way. This is the best method to cook your special jollof rice. You see here, I'm dishing the rice, plating it. See the rice. Can you see that coleslaw beside this? Can you see the carrot and cabbage mixed with cream? Can you see it? That's the coleslaw. That's called coleslaw. This one is not salad. Let me teach you this. It's not salad. It's coleslaw. Thank you for watching to this point. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. I will appreciate that. Thank you. See you next time on this channel. Bye.